What is up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Today is the day, the brand new grand opening of Universal's great movie Escape. It's on the second level of Universal City Walk. This is an immersive escape room featuring the movies Jurassic World and Back to the Future. I know we all miss the Back to the Future ride that used to be here at Universal Studios, so I am so glad that we finally have another experience featuring Back to the Future. The inside looks so great, and it kind of gives me Tucson Chocolate Emporium vibes, like with the music and the decorations and stuff. It's a really chill vibe.
Welcome to Universal's great movie Escape, where instead of merely being spectators, you get to be fully immersed into your favorite films. Soon, you'll be physically interacting with environments, characters, and stories that run in tandem with two of Universal Pictures' most notable blockbusters. Just inside these doors is where your journey will begin. Before you get started, we recommend that you finish any food or beverages, as they may attract a dangerous predator or cause a rip in the space-time continuum. It's also important that we take you through some valuable safety guidelines so that you can get the very most out of your experience. Universal's great movie Escape is a highly interactive and immersive walkthrough puzzle adventure containing loud sound effects, intense visual effects, and varying light levels. You should not experience this attraction if you have medical sensitivity to strobe lights, fog effects, a fear of enclosed spaces, have had recent surgery, or have any other conditions that may be aggravated by this experience. If at any time you wish to exit the experience, you or someone in your party should exhibit the exit signal by raising both hands above your head in an X pattern, and an attendant will be with you shortly to assist. Everything you need within the room is in reach. You should not climb on the furniture or walls or dig into the floor for any reason. Also, no excessive force is required. Anything meant to be opened or manipulated in any way will not need to be forced or pried. This is a fully immersive experience. There is no photography or video recording allowed, and smoking is prohibited. The rooms are equipped with surveillance cameras, and you will be monitored at all times so that we may assist you throughout your journey. Please make sure to move at an efficient pace and keep up with your group. If for any reason your experience is interrupted or comes to a stop, an attendant will be with you shortly to assist. Your escape adventure awaits you. Good luck, safe travels, and most importantly, have fun!
We do have a little bit more time before your experience starts, so I want to get to know y'all a little bit better. Have we seen Back to the Future before?
Yes.
100 times.
I would have guessed.
Well, as was stated, you can't record inside of the escape rooms, which I completely understand, but it was such a fun experience. I chose the Back to the Future Out of Time room. It is very different from typical escape rooms, and also its theme, so I just had a stupid little grin on my face the whole time being a part of these rooms. It was really fun. I'm not going to give away any spoilers, but you're going through different timelines, having to find clues. It is 6 per room, but you can go by yourself. Luckily, I was with a group of 5, so I didn't have to do everything myself, and I was able to help out. The group was fantastic. I had a lot of fun with them. I still have yet to try the Jurassic World side, but I absolutely recommend the Back to the Future. It is so immersive, and it's definitely the highest quality escape room I have ever been in. You can grab their tickets at universalorlando.com. It is $49.99 per person per room. Or you can reserve an entire room for you and 5 others for $300. Let us know in the comments which one you plan on trying out first, Back to the Future or the Jurassic World. I really do appreciate you guys always watching and supporting the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.